wanted was loyalty, baby. Oh yeah, all of these niggas are stuck in their ways. But you poppin' and you give a fuck what they say. Give a fuck what they say. You should be treated like royalty, baby. I know all that you wanted was loyalty, baby. Oh yeah, all that. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to create a Valentine's Day look for tomorrow. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just applying primer to my face. I already started off with my brows because I don't know, it's just time consuming, so I just went ahead and did my brows. So after you prime the face, we're just going to apply some foundation, and the foundation I'm using is from Fenty Beauty, of course, and I'm just applying that to my face, and yeah. And I'm just going to go underneath my eyes with some concealer by NARS in the shade Biscuit. And I'm just going to go ahead and conceal those areas that need to be highlighted underneath my eyes, my forehead, and my chin. I'm just going with some little lip serum, and I'm just going to apply it to my lips, so when we apply the lip liner and the lipstick can go on smooth without being all crusty. So now we're going to go into our contour palette, and we're going to go into our face. And then we're just going to go in with some Laura Mercier powder, and we're just going to set all those areas that we highlighted with the concealer, so we can make sure that it stays put throughout the day. So I'm just going to go in with my Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills to do my eyeshadow.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to go in with our NARS Creamy Concealer in the shade Biscuit. And we're just going to carve out our lid so we can create that nice perfect cut crease. So I went ahead and just did my eyelashes and my eyeliner off camera, but I'm going in with some blush that I got from MAC, and I'm just applying it to my cheeks. So now I'm taking It's My Ray Ray palette, and I'm just using the highlight called It's My Ray Ray, and I'm just applying that to my cheek. To line my lips, I went in with the lip pencil in the shade Chestnut by MAC, and I also used the lip product by MAC in the shade Diva. After that, you just want to set your face with a setting spray and you're done. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time.